One more shot of the Stella Storm. I know some people really like the snow. Still coming down pretty good. There's my hot tub. Guess I'm not using that. Hey, look at that. Look. That's my bottle of dollar store orange clean. I was looking for that. Oh. Yep, there she is. Probably frozen to crap now. Oh, kerosene heater for sale. Anybody want it? I want $900 because that's a really good one. Or 20 bucks? I don't know. It needs a new wick. I ain't messing with it. I got me pellet stove. Okay guys, try to get past the fogged up window. I'll give you another heads up, but there for sure ain't gonna be no hot tub, and there ain't no swimming either. Okay, goodbye, have a good day guys.